Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. I am here 3 times a week with beauty content for you. I do think I'm going to go down to 2 times a week for a little bit, just because I am working a lot at the minute, like full days, not even having chance to put my own face on at all, never mind film. So I do think that I might go down to 2 videos a week. It is literally, it's 8:48 at the minute. I don't know if you can see this. It is 8:48. I've just got home from work. I've been out since 9 o'clock this morning and I came home to a box. I did open it just because I didn't actually know what it was, but as soon as I started to open it I realised, and I was like, no, okay, we're gonna go fill this. I really want to see what is in this. So this is, can we just appreciate the beauty of this box, like, please? So this is the Unicorn Cosmetics mystery box. Oh wow, this is stunning. So this is like the first time that I'm really like looking at this. So it says Unicorn Cosmetics on the front, and then here it says you've got mermaid. You've got mermaid milk. Honestly, I'm so tired. My brain is not like computing stuff, but it is gorgeous. So yeah, this was £20. It was like £3 delivery, and it came very quick, like 2 days I think I ordered it. So very quick delivery. And what is in this? Can I remember what I was promised? I genuinely can't remember what I was like told would be in this, but it is a mystery box. Like, I don't know if it was like 5 full-size items, something like that maybe. I don't know. If I can remember, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. So yeah, I got this. Let's open it up. Oh wow. So this is the very first time I've opened anything or got anything from Unicorn Cosmetics. So I don't know if this is like something that is in all our boxes, but this is gorgeous. I love this. I would get this tattooed on me without a doubt. And then if I lift it, we've got all the products in here. I'm pretty sure it was said that they would all be full-size items. Okay, so the first thing we have got is Unicorn Cosmetics lashes. Insta famous, let your uniqueness be redefined with these luxe lashes in, I believe the style's Not Basic, and these look really nice. Oh, that's cute. So let's have a look at these. I've never tried their lashes before. Ooh, they're nice. These lashes look so nice. I like the look of these. I will definitely be trying these tomorrow. I'm not at work tomorrow finally. I've literally worked like 6 days on. So I'm gonna actually be able to do my makeup tomorrow. So I will try these tomorrow, hopefully. Well, I'll film it so you'll be able to see those. Next we have got Unicorn Cosmetics Gloating Pressed Highlighting Powder. When I set out to create this highlighter, I wanted a unique pigment that stood out from the rest. After months of testing, I finally found the perfect blend, and then the formula was lost. With my hands on the only sample in the world of my dream shade, I worked through sample after sample to make sure I recreated that same magic, and here it is. I hope you love it as much as I do. As they say, you glow different when you're happy. Love, Mel Blue XOXO. And this is in the shade Do It. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I've never had anything from Unicorn Cosmetics. This is beautiful. This packaging is gorgeous. Ooh. Okay, so this colour is really beautiful. There is something very special about this shade. Ooh, this is so pretty. I want to put this on my face, like, immediately. I'm just taking a Sigma. I don't know what number this is. I can see that it's Sigma, but I can't see what brush it is. And I just want to give... I've not got my beauty lights on, because my husband stole my extension lead, basically, to cut the grass outside. That is really, really pretty. It's not blinding, but it's not like completely lost either. This is beautiful, and I cannot wait to be able to use this properly, like on a fresh base and like a nice face, because honestly this is how I've looked like all week. Next we have, what is this? I'm guessing this is a makeup brush washer. I honestly don't use this, but this is cute. It's a little love heart. I love the colour of it, and it has a hole, I'm guessing maybe for your fingers maybe, which is cute. And it's just got, so it's got all the little textured things. Oh, that feels nice on my hand. I have contact dermatitis and I'm constantly itching my hand, and my hand's having a massive flare up at the minute. I've literally just put cream on it so it doesn't look too bad, but it's very itchy. This looks like it would work really nicely, but I don't really use these, honestly. I tend to just use my hands if I'm gonna manually wash, like deep clean my brushes. But there's nothing wrong with these as long as you're not too rough on it. And this is a nice soft material. It's soft silicone, so this would work quite nice. We have a brush. Oh, cute. I like the little fluffy ball on these. This brush, so this is a Pro Contour powder brush, the UC035 Chisel Cheeks with copper weighted ferrule technology. I'm happy. Anybody that knows me knows how much I love brushes, and when you use a makeup brush, the good brushes, they're weighted so that they work better in your hand. There's a lot of technology that goes into makeup brushes that I don't think a lot of people realise. When you get like cheaper brushes, often they're not weighted and you can feel the difference, and these are weighted. Oh yeah, oh yeah, you can feel the weight in the ferrule. That is nice. So of course it's got the unicorn handle. I don't know if my camera's gonna focus on that. This feels really nice. It's a good size and shape to really be able to get that contour, like right in that, just that's nice. I'm gonna really enjoy that. That is nice, and it's beautiful, and it's got the like little rainbow hairs, and it's named on the brush itself, which I know I do always name and title my brushes like in the bottom corner, like down here or here, for you guys, particularly like my eye brushes, and it's quite annoying when they don't have a name. That is going straight into like my favourites pot, and the packaging again super cute, and my son is gonna want the little fluffy ball. Also my cats were gonna want the fluffy ball because I have 5 of them at the minute. Yeah, I'm that kind of person. Next we have another thing. This has got another fluffy ball, which actually looks like it'd go on your phone. It's got like a little keychain on it, and the packaging on this again, super cute. I don't know if we're gonna be able to focus. Pretty sure my camera did not focus on that, but it's got a little unicorn on there. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, it's a powder brush. Oh, that feels beautiful. That feels really soft. It's fluffy. It's not too fluffy. It's not too dense. This feels gorgeous, and this is a UC060. That is a good size for powder. I love, let me find my, so this, I mean this is dirty, but this is like my current favourite. This is a Morphe M527 and they're pretty similar size wise. I love these brushes. So this one is nice and domed, it's got a good amount of firm, it's not too soft, it's not too sparse. This feels very similar, but this one's softer, and even though it is wider, on the face it feels more domed than this one. That feels, oh, that feels really nice. That feels lovely. That is going in my, I'm gonna wash these, especially this one. But yeah, that feels stunning. The fact that I'm so tired and I'm just like stroking it across my face and falling to sleep. Who am I? Okay, so I've got some little tissue paper. Again, I've got an 8-year-old, he loves arts and crafts and stuff, so he's gonna enjoy that. And then what in the world is this? What is this? Is it a makeup brush holder? This is cute. I'm probably just gonna use this as like a display piece, but let me, it's a makeup brush holder. That is so cute. Oh, I love it. This is so cute. I was not expecting to get anything like this in here. I'm quite impressed. I mean, it's not exactly that practical for like my desk because it only holds 4 brushes and it's pretty big, but it is narrow. I kind of wish it held more brushes. Like you could definitely get like another 3 in there, like 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. But this is super cute. It's just like a little like perspex plastic. It's cute. It's a nice little touch. I will probably just put this like on one of my shelves, maybe at the top. I might even, I'm just looking at it now, I might even be able to pop, oh yeah, that'll work. I can pop my like my tunnels or my plugs on this, which I mean that realistically is the only way I'm gonna really use it, because I couldn't take it on jobs to hold brushes because it is so big. But it's really really cute, really cute. Yeah, super cute. Okay, last thing in the box is a little tub. I'm guessing this is a pigment. It says prismatic pigment. Okay, so let me just take the sticker off because otherwise I'm not going to be able to open it. Okay, my only issue with this so far is the fact that the little sticker that says prismatic pigment on it, you have to take that off to open it, but then you don't have like a name sticker or anything on the back. It's completely bare, which is a little upsetting, not gonna lie, because I do like to be able to say what I'm using, especially like on my YouTube videos. Like in the description I link everything that I use. On my Instagram I will link, or like at least list what I'm using. Ooh, this is such a unique colour. Lem. I need to play with this. Ooh, this is so beautiful. So it's this kind of beautiful little moment here on my hand. I don't know if you can see this. It's not doing it complete justice. I'm gonna have to try and get a swatch in natural daylight. I think is gonna be best. Honestly, it's too dark to be able to do that at this point. That is just, that's beautiful. It's lilac and it's got gold reflex, but it's also kind of got like a green to the gold, like a greeny gold reflect. It is so beautiful. That swiped across the lid with a really nice lash would be a moment. But in the tub, I don't know if we're going to be able to see this, it doesn't look as beautiful as what it actually is when applied. I'm happy with this. I do just wish that there was a name tag like on the bottom, like just a little sticker. I'm gonna have to find my label maker and do that for myself. And I'm assuming that the name is prismatic, but it just says prismatic pigment. There is no name on here. I don't know if that's an error, or if it's just missing, or if that's the name of it, or if that is like just what it is. It is a prismatic pigment, like a range of pigments, like that is the name of the range, and then there's tiles within that. I don't know. I'm hoping that I can figure it out. I'm gonna have to have a look on their website, but that is everything in the box, and for £20 I'm very happy. I'm not sure how much the lashes are, but I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. The highlighter is stunning. I think their highlighters are about £12 each, so I mean I think the two together, that's like £20. So I'm happy to have spent £20. I got 2 brushes, a pigment, I got that brush thing, and these. Is that everything that I got? I think so. I'm happy. So like 5 things, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I got 6 full-size products for £20. I'm very happy. I cannot complain at that at all. Have you tried Unicorn Cosmetics? I had to think what it was called then. Have you tried Unicorn Cosmetics? What are your thoughts and opinions on the brand? I'd love to know. I've honestly not ever tried them. There's nothing against them. I've just never got round to ordering from them. There's never been anything that really grabbed me from them. But I think if these are as good as I think, and that pigment is as good as it looks, I will definitely be buying more. That is everything for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Subscribe.